If I pretend to throw it out, they come around really close. Wait. Ready? You ready? Ready? Oh, there's a duck. A duck. Oh my gosh. He's trying to kick the duck. Wait.
Make that a separate video.
Yes. Look at honey. Look.
I know.
You gotta see it.
When your dad was cutting fish, they would do that.
Look.
He would take them out like that.
Yeah. Here. I'll give it to you. Promise. You can have this.
Cut it in half, give it each one.
Okay, we'll cut it in half.
Oh, the duck is gonna fish out of there.
Here. Here's one. Come on. Here's one. One. Ooh, did you get it? Here. You. Hurry up. Oh, there. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.